Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. So I've left the structure, well, not all the structure, but the key bits of structure in from yesterday on the chart. And looking at this on the 8 hour, nice juicy flag here. We haven't really broken and retested. As I said yesterday, it's too close to the upside for it to be something we need to be testing. And the next bit of structure is quite low down at 19,061. Now, if you look at the oscillators, they have separated and they are looking like they're crossing over. Now, just want to go to the daily for this. We have a daily hanging man. So you can see yesterday's price action is pretty much red inside bar. It's a hanging man. It is against the trend. The trend is to the upside, so take it with a pinch of salt at the moment. First thing is you would expect the trend to continue to the upside. So just want to get to the weekly as well. Sorry, I didn't delete all the objects. I just deleted the levels. So obviously MetaTrader has a weird thing of keeping a whole lot of arrows and stuff in. Anyway, if you look at the weekly hanging man and then a bit of a weekly range bar forming, nothing really to read into that right now. Now if you look at the 3 hour, you're going to see this week has been big down, big up, and it looks like a bit of a consolidation here. So my levels stay the same, except there's one more level that starts to come into play now, and that's this one, 19,320. So clear break and retest at 19,320 gets us long. But at the moment, big down, big up, big down, big up, big confusion within a consolidation pattern. There is another bit of structure right here at 19,241 that we want to pay attention to. And those are the levels you need to look at on the lower time frames. So if you look at price action yesterday, came back to test the 150 EMA. But if I just use my cursor, I'll put a level in rather. You can see what we were aiming for was 19,143, but we missed it. You'll see on the 15 minute, but that's definitely a miss. And there's also a bit of a Brooks gap here that we missed as well. So I'm not entirely convinced that this big up, big down, big confusion is over. So I'm kind of leaning towards the point that it's going to be either ranging today, or we're going to continue sort of zigzagging all over the place like this to try and come and test this level. And then just below it, let's put this pin bar in, just below it is 19,127, which is also looking quite attractive. But that is against the trend, so we're definitely not looking for shorts. We're looking for opportunities to buy. And if you look at this on the 15 minute, big move down, big move up. I mean, this was a 0.5% move to the upside, 0.5% move to the downside, 0.5% move to the upside. So that is just pure confusion, and I don't think I want to get involved in confusion. So yeah, here you can see the zone was missed. So if we do drop down to here and we do it early in the session, I would be very interested in trying to scale in for a long at 19,143 and 19,127, and that long will be in for a couple of hours before getting out of it, going at the close of the market. If we do break above this flag today, I'm not going to bother with a long up there, and I'm definitely not bothering with a long at 19,242, and I'm also have zero interest in a short. So this is the only zone that I'll be paying attention to. I'll put an alert down here at 19,145, I think, is where we'll put the alert. And if price does get down, yeah, it gives you an opportunity to pull out your phone and have a look to see what's happening, wait for the price action, and then take the trade. Your stop is going to be below 19,160. So that is a relatively large stop loss if you look at this. Not that big, it's 100 points. So really reasonable trade, and your target, as far as I'm concerned, is going to be somewhere in 19 19280, 19275. Just look left, you can see all this chaos from yesterday. I don't think I'll be aiming for a break of this trend line or a break of the level higher up today anyway. That's the only opportunity that I do see at the moment. So yeah, that doesn't happen. We'll be sitting on the sides and we'll just wait for this for Monday morning. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Sorry, Monday morning. Cheers for now.